Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I'm going to be making 깍두기 fried rice by using the radish kimchi that I made last winter. Because it's old kimchi, it's tart, but it's quite tasty when you put it into fried rice. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using garlic stems, which may be unfamiliar to you, but it comes out in the springtime in Korea. And it has the garlic taste, but not as pungent. So it's really good addition for the fried rice. So I'll cut it into little pieces like this. You can add just green onions or even asparagus if you have hard time finding these garlic stems in your neighborhood. But I'm sure you can find it at a Korean grocery store nearby. So I'm using the old radishes from the kimjang kimchi that I made in the winter. And you need to chop it into small pieces. As you can see that I've actually washed it a little bit to take away the sort of the old tart taste of the radish, as well as the spiciness. So when the oil is a little bit heated, I'm going to add the chopped green onions. And again, you want to be able to make the green onion oil. It really helps to enhance the taste of the rice. And then I'm going to add the chopped bacon here. Of course, you know, bacon is never wrong. It provides that really wonderful addition to any kind of food, I think. I'm going to add the chopped radishes. Maybe I do. Yeah. And then you can add the chopped garlic stems. Already the color looks pretty good, doesn't it? The key point here is that I'm going to add some soy sauce, but I'm going to use the 장조림 sauce that we made previous video. You can refer to it. Now I'm going to add the rice, and once I add the rice here, I'm going to turn the heat off, because that way it gives me time to mix the rice with the kimchi and all the other things without really worrying about it burning. So once the rice is all well mixed, then you turn the heat on to a little bit high, and now you fry it, and it helps to really mix the rice really well with all the vegetables and the bacon. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it's actually all the sauce is evaporating and making the rice more flaky, which is what you want. You don't want really sticky fried rice. You want it flaky fried rice. So at the end, I'm going to add a little bit of freshly ground pepper and maybe a teaspoonful of sesame oil. And finally, you add some toasted sesame seeds, the secret ingredient, which is the crushed up seaweed, dried seaweed. So you can top the fried rice, of course, with egg, like this. So once again, it's always best to crack your egg down the middle, get all the yolk in, and here it is. How can I describe the taste of bacon and creamy egg? I hope you enjoy it.